In 2010, someone bought 40% of Nigeria's oldest airline for exactly 1 Naira. Not 1 million, not 1 billion, just 1 Naira. The buyer was the Ibru family. The seller was a Canadian firm desperate to escape a sinking ship. By 2017, the deal of a lifetime had become a nightmare. Aero Contractors had hit rock bottom. Out of 11 aircraft, only 2 could still fly. The debt climbed past 20 billion Naira. In a single, brutal day, 900 workers were let go. Imagine the math. 1,500 employees fighting to support just 2 operational planes. The ratio wasn't just bad, it was impossible. Aero wasn't just dying, it was a ghost fleet. Then came Captain Ado Sanusi. Appointed CEO in 2017, he faced a choice that would terrify most executives. He realized that to save the airline, he had to stop being an airline. He gambled everything on a pivot that West Africa had never seen before. He transformed a failing flight schedule into a high-stakes engineering hub, performing major Boeing 737 overhauls locally for the first time in history. The 69% loss margin vanished, replaced by pure profit, without a single cent in bailouts. But as the money started flowing back in, Sanusi did something even more radical for the 900 people they left behind. And that is where the real story begins.